Hey, you just installed a fresh alternator. What have you forgotten? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Denso, a leading alternator manufacturer for the OE and aftermarket. Visit densoautoparts.com for more information.
You've just installed a fresh alternator on a vehicle. There's one thing you need to pay attention to: the battery. If the battery is worn out, doesn't have enough cold cranking amps, can't accept a charge, or the alternator is always having to work to charge it up, you need to replace that battery. A battery may have defective cells, the cables going to the battery may be corroded and have high resistance. You need to make sure that that part of the circuit is working properly. If it's not, well, the alternator is going to have to work very hard to keep that battery charged. This can decrease the life of the alternator. So make sure the battery, cables, and other parts of the charging system are working properly so that new alternator will last a very, very long time. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.